वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिसूत्रकारश्च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्।
धन्यवादः महोदये। अद्य संस्कृतवाङ्मयविषये अहं प्रश्नान् पृच्छामि। सर्वे सिद्धाः किल? अस्तु। प्रथमं कति वेदाः सन्ति? तेषां नामानि?
पञ्चवेदाः।
चतुर्वेदाः सन्ति। चतुर्वेदाः सन्ति।
परन्तु excuse me no पञ्चमवेदाः सन्ति।
न एवं नास्ति महोदय।
महाभारतम् पञ्चमवेदः।
पञ्चमवेदः किन्तु वेद इत्युक्ते चत्वारः वेदाः एव।
ओके।
तस्यामपि तेषामपि ऋग् यजुः सामवेदाः तेषामेव त्रयी इति वदन्ति। अर्थशास्त्रे चाणक्यस्य अर्थशास्त्रे त्रयी इति एव वदन्ति। अथर्ववेदस्य अनन्तरं तस्य तत्र अधिकं एवं न आसीत्।
That is why there is no description of Atharvaved here.
किमर्थम् इत्युक्ते अथर्ववेदे तन्त्रविषयाः अधिकाः तत् कारणात्। अस्तु।
But lot of Rigveda mantras are in Atharvana Veda.
आम्। ऋषिः कः? अथर्ववेदस्य ऋषिः कः?
अथर्व ऋषिः।
अथर्वः। अथर्वः वा अथर्वणः वा?
अथर्वणः।
अथर्ववेदः अथर्वण ऋषिः। अस्तु। इदानीं तत्र पुनः वेदे विभागाः सन्ति किल? ते के?
They are Samhita, Brahman, Aranyak एवं उपनिषद।
तत्र अरण्यक ब्रह्मण इति नास्ति। संहिता आरण्यकम् एवं।
आरण्यकम्
उपनिषद। संहिता ब्राह्मण आरण्यकम् उपनिषद।
चत्वारः।
तत्र पुनः तत्र कर्मकाण्डं ज्ञानकाण्डम् इत्यस्ति किल?
Another division of the
कर्मकाण्डम् इत्युक्ते किं? ज्ञानकाण्डम् इत्युक्ते किम्?
In Karma Kanda, all the rituals are mentioned, and mostly rituals. And in Jnana Kanda, the Upanishads. And it is my understanding that Jnana Kanda is a very small portion of the Veda. Is about 2% is Jnana Kanda and 98% is Karma Kanda. And Upanishads comes in Jnana Kanda, which is Vedanta.
Vedanta belongs to Jnanakanda.
Yeah.
It is intellectually you approach the divinity. Astu. Punaha Rigvedasya vibhajanam asti.
Two.
What is that? That kim?
Krishna Yajurveda. No, that is Yajurveda. Krishna Shukla.
Krishna Yajurveda and
No, that is Shukla. No. That is Yajurveda. Shukla Yajurveda. Krishna. Yeah.
Tatra ashtakaha ityukte kim?
There are Astaka and 10 mandalas.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Ashtakaha ityukte?
8 chapters.
Chapters. 8 chapters. And Dasha Mandalan.
Mandalan, yeah.
Astu. Yajurvede?
Krishna. Shukla Yajurveda, Krishna Yajurveda.
And that Krishna Yajurveda contains Taittiriya Upanishad also.
Taittiriya Upanishad.
Yeah.
Samavedasya Visheshata ka?
Samaveda is the musical way, is the Vedas, but it is chanted melodiously. It is chanted melodiously.
There are those 3 swaras. That's what I learned from. Once we did some studio recording for one dance, Bharatanatyam dancer. That time one Samavedin had come. She included some parts of Samaveda also. So he had beautifully sung the Sama mantras. It was really very beautiful.
Can you sing? Can you chant? Can you
I don't remember. That was long back, some 15 years back. Like that it will come. Samasrajo. Like that. That's what I remember. So it is really beautiful. Anyhow, the mantras are from Rigveda only.
Yeah. Rigveda mantras as well as original to Samaveda. Both are available.
Now, Vedangani. Kati.
Shed.
Shishya.
Shed
Veda.
Diksha.
Vyakarna.
Chanda.
Chandas.
Jyotisha.
Alpa.
Nirukta.
Nirukta is the dictionary for Vedas. Yes.
It is said it is etymology.
Etymology. Coining of words.
Then
and what is Kalpa?
Kalpa is the
sacrificial lord.
Sacrificial lord there.
They
Sacrificial
design
lord.
Vadatu Mahoday.
No, Mahoday. Only 2 words I know. They have sacrificial loads. Just that.
I didn't follow you.
At this stage, only that much is enough.
I'm sorry, I didn't get that. Come again, please.
See, in this this yajna, all, homa, all these things are there, no?
Yeah.
For that, how you build that sacrificial this thing, yajna kunda, how you
The Yajna
how you
Kunda.
build.
Okay.
For different pujas, it has to be built in different style.
Yes, there were
And
So
different
how
shapes,
to-
mathematical shapes.
Yeah, that is what different.
mathematics. It contains
That
lot
will
of
be
mathematics.
given.
Octagonal, hexagonal, square, circle,
I
odd
see.
shape.
Okay, thank you.
Then
The Vedas are full of science and math.
Niruttam is
only.
over. Chandraha is meter.
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 Why is it called rhapsody?
Sorry.
Prosody.
It was
Prosody.
prosody.
Huh?
Prosody.
Prosody. Prosody.
Oh, prosody.
Then shiksha is akshara ucharanam katham bhavati. Means
Sandhi.
how?
Sandhis.
Which area? No,
No,
from
not
which area
Sandhi.
it has to come?
Which
Oshtam,
parts, which
and
parts
some-
of your voice box, how each akshara, each sound comes out from your body.
Oshtam, Ghanta, all these organs from all Danta, how you have used.
Yes, that
It is
discussion
there.
comes. Then how many Upanishads are there? This we have discussed in the last class.
108 Upanishads. 108.
No, 108 is okay, but main
10.
Dasa
10.
Dasa Upanishads.
Dasha Upanishad.
Dasha. Kena kata munduka mandukya. Prashna.
Madvayam,
Aitriya,
Madvayam,
Pragadharanya.
Bhadvayam.
No.
That
It's
Purana.
there are Purana.
There is Purana. I'm saying
ईश केन कठ प्रश्न मुंड मांडुक्य तैत्तिरीय ऐतरेयम च छांदोग्य बृहदारण्यक तथा.
Correct.
it is Aitriyam, right?
This
Aitariya.
Isha, Ishopanishad, Ishavasyam idam sarvam. It starts from there. Kathopanishad is Nachiketa story. Yama and Nachiketa. Then Prashna Upanishad, it is some 6 questions are asked by the students and the teacher answers.
Where does the Shvetaketu and Uddalaka, is it a Chandogya or Brihadaranyaka?
No, they refer to this Uddalaka, Shvetaketu. In many Upanishads, it is a common name. They have taught us by using those names.
Oh, I see. Okay.
It keeps
So it comes in
repeating.
many Upanishads.
Hmm.
Oh, I didn't know.
It keeps repeating. So it's not that, it is basically to teach us. The rishis have adopted that method as though they are teaching a student to make us understand the nature of divinity.
Yajnavalkya is a saint, Mahodaya. He is a rishi, right?
Yajnavalkya.
Maitreyi also rishi.
Tittiri Pakshi. It so happened that that Shapa story is there, no? He was cursed or something. I don't remember exactly now. Because of that, the student became a bird, Tittiri bird. Something like that. I don't remember now. Anyhow, next.
Which Upanishad is that, ma'am? Where does it come?
Taittiriya Upanishad.
Taittiriya.
You can refer to online, it will be available. Google will answer you. Okay, then darshanani.
Darshanaani, Nastika Darshanani.
Nastika eva.
Astika and Nastika.
Astika and Nastika.
Nastika.
Yeah.
Astika darshanani ityukte.
You have
It's in Veda.
Sankhya, Yoga,
Yoga,
Nyaya,
Vaisheshika,
Vaisheshika,
Purva,
Purva
Mimamsa,
Mimamsa,
Uttaramimamsa,
Uttar Mimamsa.
Uttaramimamsa.
Nyaya.
आस्तिक दर्शनानि आस्तिक इति किमर्थम् आस्तिक इति उक्तम्
Believes in Veda.
But no, who
It is,
accept Veda?
They accept the authority of Vedas.
authority of Vedas
Vedas.
वेदः अस्ति इति कारणात् आस्तिकाः there Sankhya Yoga Nyaya
Nyaya,
Vaisheshika
Vaisheshika,
Purvamimamsa
Purvamimamsa, Uttaramimamsa.
and your book has not told you about who wrote Sankhya. Is it there in your book?
No,
No,
they have only
no,
given
no,
the
no.
names.
only names
Maharaj.
are there.
Okay.
Kapila Muni.
Okay, so let us not worry about that. Nastika darshanani.
And there you have
Karvaka,
Charvaka,
Jaina and
Charvaka,
Buddha.
Jaina and Buddha.
Charvaka.
Karvaka.
Charu ityukte samyak
Charvaka.
vadanti. Atah charu vak. Charvakaha.
Then Jaina and Buddha.
Whoever talks beautifully, he is a charvaka. Huh?
Oh,
Evam va?
Oh,
Astu. Evam
Then
nasti.
why, Mahodaya, why is Charvakas are the kind of look down, right?
Kimartham ityukte, they believe in the present. They don't believe what they say is ghrinam kritva ghritam pibet. You enjoy your life. There is nothing beyond enjoyment.
oh.
That's why they are not. It's not a good way of living. No?
Oh.
They don't believe in dharma, moksha, all these things. They are not bothered actually.
Yeah, like today's people.
They think if you feel like if you want to eat something, you do it. That's all. Don't worry about anything else.
Don't worry about diabetes.
Yes.
All right. No, but then why is that it is well spoken? Is it?
See, that is the beauty of our Sanatana Dharma. They never said this is good, this is bad. You choose your path. Everybody is allowed to follow his belief system. That's why it is a darshana. This is also there. Then other systems are also there. You can choose whatever you want.
exactly.
No, my question was why Charu, you said, means well spoken. How well spoken people and how is that related to that they only believe they are not believing in anything except the present day living.
Yes.
What is the relationship?
It is like the they speak beautifully. That is why they are Charvakas.
Oh, they convince very well.
They believe in Pratyaksha Pramana only, nothing else. Whatever is visible, only that should be believed. There is no life after death. All these things. And they question these rituals. All the rituals they will question. Nowadays also we have many people. No, people keep on
Many
questioning, why do you do this? They're all charvakas only, like that.
And some of them know to put it very beautifully. And that's how they are Charvakas.
Charvaka.
It looks like my daughter is a Charvaka.
All present day kids, most of the present day kids. You can't say all. Most of the present day kids, but they will change later on.
Okay.
They need more time.
Yeah. Okay. Then Bauddha darshane tatra vedaः santi kila.
Saudrantika, Madhyamika,
Vaibhashika,
Vaibhashika and Yogachara.
Sautrantika, Vaibhashika, Madhyamika. Madhyamika is the Shunyavada.
Sunyavada.
Hmm.
And
Yoga.
Yogachara.
Yogachara, Vijnanavada, Vijnanavada.
Then
No,
Puranani.
Vijnanavada.
18 Puranas.
Yeah, 18 Puranas.
Um,
That's what Madhvayam, Madhvayam, Bhadvayam, Bhratrayam, Va Chatushtam, Chatushayam, A, Na, Pa, Lim, Ku, Ka, Ga, Ku, Ska, Ashtadasha Praya.
Now, Ska,
Skanda
Yeah,
Purana.
A, Na, Pa, Lim, Ga, Ku, Ska.
correct. Yeah.
So,
Now name them.
Matsya Puranam, then Markandeya Puranam, Madhvayam, then Bhadvayam, Brahmanda Bhagavata Puranam, Brahmanda Puranam, sorry, Bhagavata Puranam, Bhavishyat Puranam,
Correct.
Bhagavata Purana.
Bhagavata Puranam.
You should go in an order. What whenever you do it in the same order. Then it becomes easier to remember.
Yeah, Bhadvayam is Bhagavata Puranam, Bhavishyat Puranam, Bhratrayam, Brahmanda Puranam, then Brahma Vaivata Puranam, then Brahma Puranam, then Va Chatushtayam, Vamana Puranam, Varaha Puranam, Vishnu Puranam, Vayu Puranam, then A Agni Puranam, Na Narada Puranam, Pa Padma Puranam, Lim Linga Puranam, Ga Garuda Puranam, Ku Kurma Puranam, Ka Skanda Puranam.
And usually they say no, this Garuda Puranam should be read later.
Only
At the time of death. No, not like that. If you don't read when you are in good health, these Puranas, these 18 Puranas, then how will you know wherever you are going wrong, you need correction? How will
Exactly.
It's a wrong concept that this Garuda Puranam should not be read when you are well. It's a wrong concept. When we are in good health, we should read all the Puranas. And it helps us for that course correction.
And
Secondly, when you are not well, you will not be able to concentrate.
Yes. This one shloka is there. Prana prayana samaye kapha vata pittaihi kantavarodhana vidhe smaranaha kutaha. It's not possible. This is this shloka comes in Mukundamala. So at the time of death, kapha, vata, pitta, everything obstructs our speech, and we can't even think properly. At that time, if we think when we are doing well, if we think, oh, now is not the time to remember God, then how is it possible at the time of death?
Exactly.
So
See, the
it is, this Puranas must be read by everybody when they are doing well. Astu. Next is Shastrani. Atra Alankara Shastram.
There are three.
Ananda.
Anandavardhana.
Kasya nasid Anandavardhanaha. That statement is there. There was nobody like Anandavardhana. He was the first one to propose the theory of Dhvani. Dhvanyalokaha. Dhvani. What is Dhvani? There is this read in between the lines, you say, no, in English, like that. So he says Ramayana, Mahabharata, all these things are there. But what is the poet trying to convey in these epics? Like Mahabharata, if you take Mahabharata, what is the poet trying to tell you? What is the pradhana rasa there? There are 9 rasas, you know. Huh?
The inner meaning.
Inner meaning. Inner meaning. So he says there in Mahabharata, pradhana rasa is Shanti. So Vyasa Maharshi is saying, see, the Kauravas, Pandavas, even others, everybody, they all kept on fighting for their rights. But when did the Pandavas attain that Shanti? When they went for Swargarohana.
Yeah.
So Shanta Rasa is the Pradhana Rasa. But nowhere he has, Vyasa Maharshi, in the entire Mahabharata, nowhere has he said that, oh, I am telling you, Shanta Rasa is the Pradhana Rasa. It is not, nowhere that statement is made. But the reader understands that Shanti is the main source for happiness.
That is why Krishna went to Duryodhana Sabha for the with the Shanti proposal. So he himself exhibited that Shanti is the best thing.
Yes.
But how is it related to Dhvani?
Yes. That is Dhvani.
What is Dhvani? Dhvani is sound.
It is heard. It is heard or felt.
Okay.
How refined these people were. Anandavardhana was in 9th century. That was, he was from Kashmir. And he was the first one to propose this Dhvani theory. It's a beautiful subject. You people should read when you all go to, when you all finish this 4 levels of this courses. Then in MA, you will read in detail this Dhvanyaloka. It is a beautiful subject. I really enjoyed. Astu. So, Dhvanyaloka by Anandavardhana.
Rasagangadhara.
Rasagangadhara is another beautiful subject.
By Jagannatha.
Jagannatha Pandita. Jagannatha Pandita, he was from Andhra Pradesh. He went to Delhi. He was a very poor Brahmin. But at a very young age, he was an expert in all the Shastras. And at his village, he had a lot of problems because of his poverty. So once he daily he would go for uncha vritti
Uncha
to beg for alms. He would pluck a leaf from a tree in the village and go for begging. So it so happened once when he went to pluck the leaf, there was a fence around the tree and he was not allowed by the guard. So he asked, why I am not allowed? He said, you need to take permission from the emperor, Shah Jahan. This during the period of Shah Jahan. So what happened? His wife gave him some poha or something. So he went all the way by walk to Delhi. When he went to Delhi, it was not easy to approach the emperor. So he was waiting for a chance. That time, two people were fighting in the street. They kept on arguing, and it became more and more fierce. So guards came and took them to the king along with the spectators. So the emperor asked, can anybody tell me who is the culprit? So among the spectators, nobody could tell anything. But this Jagannatha Pandita, he said, I don't know the language. They were speaking in Persian. So I don't know the language, but I can quote as it is from the first sentence to the last sentence. So Shah Jahan was impressed. Oh, such a great that Eka Santhagrahi, they say, no? It is by hearing once, they remember everything. That kind of people were there in Samskrita, in our land. So immediately he inquired, who are you, all those things, and Jagannatha Pandita was made the court poet. And Shah Jahan's son was taught Dara Shikoh. He was taught Sanskritam, and he wrote some poems also in the name of Dara Shikoh. He became very rich and he forgot about his past, whatever, his childhood and everything. And later on, he became very arrogant and all those things. Then
He was not accepted by other people, no, ma'am. Scholars, Jagannatha Pandita.
Because he was very
was
arrogant.
criticized.
No?
He was criticized.
Yes. No. He criticized everybody. He criticized everybody. He had no respect for even Appaya Dikshita was a great scholar.
Yeah.
But he didn't have that respect for anybody. So, of course, nobody wrote like Jagannatha Pandita. This Rasa Gangadhara is a text full of alankaras. So many alankaras he has. It is so logically he describes them. It is amazing actually. It is like a Tarka book. You will feel you are not reading an Alankara book. It is like a Tarka book, like that. His analytical abilities were amazing, but still he was, because of his arrogance, he suffered in the later part of his life. Astu. Agre, Sahitya Darpanam. Sahitya Darpanam by Vishwanath. Vishwanatha Pandita, he has given all the definitions and very in a simple language. For to understand the Jagannatha Pandita, we need expertise. Here, Sahitya Darpanam is like a mirror. So very simple language, nice way of writing. Then Vyakaranam.
Vyakaran Shastram, Ashtadhyayi by Panini.
Panini.
Then
Siddhanta
Siddhanta
Kaumudi.
Kaumudi,
Hmm.
Bhattoji Dikshidhar,
Hmm.
and Mahabhashyam by
Mahabhashyam.
Patanjali.
Patanjali.
Mahabhashyam is the treatise, is the Vyakhyana for Ashtadhyayi.
Oh, it is. Come again, please.
Mahabhashyam is the
Yeah.
Vyakhyana for Ashtadhyayi.
Ashtadhyayi.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
So that means Patanjali came much later than
Yes,
Panini.
yes. Panini was the
Panini.
first.
Okay.
Then Tarka Shastra.
Tarka Shastra.
Hmm.
Tarka
Nyaya Sutrani.
Sutrani.
Hmm.
Nyaya Sutrani
Hmm.
Gautama.
by Gautama.
Hmm.
Nyaya Vartikam by Jayanta Bhattaha.
Hmm.
Nyaya Manjari.
Nyaya
Nyaya
Manjari.
Nyaya Manjari.
Hmm.
Tattva Chintamani.
Hmm.
Tattva Chintamani.
Chintamani.
Jayanta
No.
Bhattaha.
No. Ganesho
Ganesho
Upadhyaya.
Upadhyaya.
Ganesh Upadhyaya.
Agre. Purva Mimamsa.
Jaimini Sutrani by Jaimini.
Jaimini Sutrani. What does it contain?
That we don't know. You tell me.
Jaimini Sutras.
It talks about different yajnas.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
And he says, for each yajna, what is the phala, he will say.
okay.
I think Sutra means that mathematical calculations.
No. Sutram ityukte, not like that. Here, Jaimini Maharshi, he gave us some, it's a very small book actually, you can read.
Actually, cryptic they have given. Not very elaborate, very short.
Yeah, everything
Just
like
like Panini
Ashtadhyayi
Sutrani.
also, he started with 14 sutras, no? Only 14 sutras, but it expanded to almost 4,000 sutras again, like. Astu. Then
Tantravartikam.
Tantravartikam.
who wrote Tantravartikam?
Kumarika Bhatta.
Kumarila Bhatta.
Kumarila Bhatta. He was before Shankaracharya, Adi Shankaracharya, Kumarila Bhatta. Then
Shabara Bhashyam.
Shabara. By
Shabara Swami.
Shabara Swami.
Shabara Swami.
Then
Uttara Mimamsa.
Uttara Mimamsa. What is Uttara Mimamsa?
Vedanta Shastra.
Vedanta Shastra.
Vedanta Shastra.
That is Brahma Sutrani by Badarayana.
Badarayana. Who is Badarayana?
Vyasa.
Vyasa only.
Oh, I did not know. This is amazing.
See, there is one shloka about Vyasa. Achatur Vadano Brahma. Achatur Vadano Brahma. Abahur Aparo Harihi. Then one more line is there. It is like Bhagavan Badarayana, it will come. It is like Chatur Vadanaha Nasti Tasya. Only one face is there. 4 arms are not there. Only. Then Abhala Lochano Shivaha. That third eye is not there. Still, he represents all these Trimurtis. That is Badarayana.
Even in Vishnu Sahasranama it comes now. Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya, Vyasa Rupaya Vishnave, Namo Vai Brahmanitaye, Vasishtaya Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha.
Puranam also, Bhagavata Puranam also, why he wrote Bhagavata Puranam? Because he was upset with narration of Mahabharata. He was
Yeah.
tired. Oh, what is this? Instead of writing about Krishna, what have I done by writing? What is the use of writing the story? That kind of sad
Very
feeling he had. That's why he wrote Bhagavata Purana.
Yeah, Narada Maharishi tells him.
Mahoday, Ekam Mahoday, Bhagavata Purana actually, they say Devi Bhagavatam is also, Bhagavata Purana is also there, no? There is a
Devi
content.
Bhagavatam is different. That came later.
Okay.
That doesn't come under these
Purana.
18 Puranas.
Okay.
Astu. Idanim Badarayanaha Brahmasutram. Brahmasutram, what does Brahmasutram say? Discuss about Athato Brahma Jignasa. That is the first. That is the first Brahma Sutra. There are some around 500 sutras. Okay, and those 500 sutras, all the three acharyas like Adi Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Madhvacharya, they have written treatises based on these Brahma Sutras according to the way they understood. So Shankaracharya's Bhashyam is called Shankara Bhashyam. Ramanujacharya's Bhashyam is called Shri Bhashyam.
Shri Bhashyam.
Then Madhvacharya's Bhashyam is called Madhva Bhashyam.
Mahoday, one question. This coming back to Vyasa, is the Vyasa is some kind of a family name? Because we say Badarayana Vyasa, Krishna Dvaipayana Vyasa. Like, are there like different Vyasas?
They say so, but I don't know much in that direction.
Okay.
But this Vyasa was Parashara's son only, and he lived during the Mahabharata times. That is Krishna's time.
You mean Vyasarayana Vyasa? Badarayana Vyasa lived, he is the son of Parashara and lived in Mahabharata time.
Yes. During Krishna's time, he was Krishna's period. He was a part of that entire this thing, episode.
Dhanyawad.
And at some places, his advices are really beautiful. When Satyavati and all these people were there, no, Dhritarashtra, they are all grown up. That time, he says, that also is quoted by Anandavardhana in Dhvanyaloka. Atikrantaha sukhaha kalaha. Good days are over. Pratyupasthita darunaha. Shvaha shvaha papiya divasaha. Prithvi gata yavvana. Prithvi has lost her youth. Shvaha shvaha papiya divasaha. What Prithvi is going to see now onwards is more and more of destruction or all bad things. So Vyasa says, mother, please come. It is time you leave this place and go for tapas. In Bhagavad Gita also, that second adhyaya, 69th shloka is there, no? Ya nisha sarva bhutanam tasyam jagarti sanyami yasyam jagrati bhutani सा निशा पश्यतो मुनेः. So they're all Anandavardhana says there is dhvani there. Vyasa is saying ya nisha sarva bhutan. See, it is not sarva bhutanam krite ya nisha asti tasyam jagarti sanyami ityukte there an alert person would be awake, not that. Vyasa is saying, see, where alertness is required, there everybody sleeps. Means everybody is busy enjoying their life. Only an alert person is looking at the actual purpose of this life. So those things are, when you read further, then you will enjoy. Then Upanishad, do we have any, can you name anybody?
No author.
No author. It's her.
It is, I think, Drishta.
It is her.
Rishi Proktam, but we don't know which Rishi.
We don't know. So we can put a dash.
Yes. Then Bhagavad Gita?
Vyasa.
Vyasa. Adi Kavyam ityukte kim?
Ramayana.
Adi Kavi Valmiki.
Valmiki. Then Mahabharatam.
Panchama Veda.
Vedaha Mahabharata.
Panchama Veda.
Panchamo Vedaha.
Okay. Then Natakani.
Natakani.
Drishya
Natakani. No.
Drishta Kavyam and
Shravana
Shravya.
Yeah.
So there, Kavyam Trividham, Gadyam, Padyam,
Champu.
Champu.
Punaha Kavyam Dvividham, Drishyam,
Shravyam.
No.
Shravya Kavyam.
Drishyam Shravyam. Punaha Drishyam ityukte, that which can be seen.
Seen. Shravyam, which can be heard.
Which can be heard.
Enjoyed by hearing.
By reading also.
Kalidasa Shakuntalam. Abhijnana Shakuntalam.
No, wait. Let us go to that later. Rupakam Katividham.
10.
You told in the last class.
Rupakam Dashavidham.
Dashavitam.
What are they? Natakam Saprakaram
Prahasanam.
Bhanaha
Bhanaha.
Prahasanam Dimaha. Once again.
Natakam. Rupakam.
Natakam. Kshamyatam. Natakam.
Prakaranam.
Saprakaranam. Natakam Saprakaranam.
Bhanaha. Prahasanam.
Natakam Saprakaranam Bhanaha Prahasanam Dimaha. Once again. First 5.
Natakam Saprakaranam Bhanaha Prahasanam Dimaha.
Then Yayoga Samavakaro.
Samavakaro.
Vyayoga Samavakaro.
Vyayoga Samavakaro.
Vithyankeha Mriga.
Vityangeha
Mriga.
Vityangeha Mriga.
Vityankeha Mriga.
Vityangeha Mriga.
Punarekaram. Natakam Saprakaranam
Bhanaha Prahasanam Dimaha,
Dimaha.
Vyayoga, Samavakarau,
Samavarau.
Vityangeha, Mriga,
Vithi Natakam is there, no? Vithi.
Okay,
Street
Vityangeha,
play, we say.
Mriga.
Vithi.
Okay.
Vithi,
Vityangeha,
Anka, Iha, Mriga.
part. Ange is part, right? That's,
Anka,
they take part.
Okay. Natakam,
Mohod-
Saprakaranam, Bhanaha, Prahasanam, Dimaha, Vyayoga, Samavakaro, Vithyankeha, Mriga, Dasha.
Okay.
Mahoday, couple of questions.
Hmm.
Now, these are the 10 Rupakas.
Hmm.
Now, but the definition of Rupaka is Nataka.
Rupakam is the definition, is the heading. There, these are subdivisions.
All right. Is Nataka, so Nataka drama is a subdivision of Rupaka,
Yeah.
correct? Okay. If that is the case, Nataka is one of the Rupakas, but there are 10 types of drama. Rupaka is a drama, right?
Rupaka is a type of drama. You can't say Rupaka is a type of drama. These are different types of dramas. That's what we can say.
Different type of dramas, but one of
See,
the name
there what happens is they have for Nataka also, they say Dhiro Datta Nayaka should be there, and it should contain so many subdivisions again. So all those rules are there. So like that. Then this Vyayoga. Vyayoga is best example is Madhyama Vyayoga of Bhasa. Those things you will learn later. Now at this stage, this is enough. Knowing their names is enough. Then Dasha Rupakani. Can you name them?
Dasha Rupakani.
Examples like
Abhigna Shakuntala.
Abhijnana Shakuntala.
By
Abhijna
Kalidasa.
Uttara Rama Charita. Bhavabhuti. Bhavabhutihi.
Oh, it is also really beautiful. Those
Swapna Vasavadatta.
really.
This
so
is
much
by
we don't
Bhasa.
Bhasa.
Swapna Vasavadattam Bhasa.
Okay. Mahoday, one question. It is a Vasavadatta is a female name. So shouldn't be Vasavadatta is a
Datta, he is not naming her. It contains a story related to her. So Swapna Vasavadattam. He has made some samasa there. So samasa and all those things later.
Okay, Dattam. Swapna Vasavadattam. Yeah.
Dattam.
Yeah.
Then Veni Samharaha.
Veni Samharaha.
Veni
Who wrote Veni
Samharaha.
Samharaha?
Bhattanarayana.
Bhattanarayana.
Hair braided.
Why it is named Veni Samharaha?
This is the question we
After
wanted
the
to.
death of Duryodhana and Dushasana, Bhima ties that this thing with the blood of Dushasana.
Duryodhana.
Sorry, Duryodhana and Dushasana also.
Okay.
The Dushasana only, not Duryodhana.
Duryodhana was alive. No?
It is
Was he
Dushasana.
alive?
That only.
That time.
He promised, he gave vows to braid her hair with the blood of Dushadana only, because
Dushasana.
he only pulled her sari.
Yeah, with
So
her.
he was there itself. In the court itself, he was, I will do the justice for you. When she opens her hair, he will take, Bhima tells that, I will tie your hair till then.
But my question is, why it is this question asked by
For the sake of Veni, that is, if the Samharam happens for the sake of the Draupadi. Because of that, it is Veni Samharaha.
Veni tasyaha Veni yadasti Draupadyaha Venyaha krute samharaha bhavat.
Oh.
Ataha Veni samharaha.
Samhara means to destruct, no?
Samhara is to
Destruction, all
kill.
the destruction of the entire Kauravas.
Entire
Ah,
Kauravas.
Everybody, of
What
course, these people also lost their children. No? Pandavas also lost their children. Everybody suffered. Nobody enjoyed that war. That's why Shri Krishna wanted to prevent that destruction. But Duryodhana was adamant.
But in this book, it is written that Veni means a braid and Sahara means to tie.
That's what Venyaha krite samharaha bhavat. It is like that tying happened with Samhara, like that.
Tying happened with Sahara. Okay, got it. Okay.
Mritchakatikam.
Mahoday, before you, can I ask a question? Now, we are talking about the well-known Rupakas and their authors. For example, when we talked about the Abhijnana Shakuntalam.
Abhijna ityukte kim?
Abhijna. No.
Remembering.
No, to know,
Remembering. Remembering, yeah.
He forgot about it, no? Dushyanta.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, yeah.
So
Correct.
when he,
Okay. Remembering. Okay. Now, under which Rupaka does it come in?
They have given, no, in your book, they have given famous Rupakas.
Correct. But there are 10 Rupakas.
Natakam only. Natakam.
It is Natakam.
Oh,
Yes.
all these are Natakam.
Yes.
Okay.
Uttara Ramacharitam is not Natakam, no, Mahoday.
Uttara Ramacharitam, actually, I don't remember right now.
Okay. Okay. Dhanyavada.
I have read it, but right now I don't remember. Astu. Panchamahakavyani.
Mritchakatikam.
Panchamahakavyani.
Raghuvamsha.
Mritchakatikam is by
Shudraha.
Shudraka.
now Panchamahakavyani.
Kumara Sambhavam.
Raghuvamsham, Kumara Sambhavam.
Raghuvamsham.
Raghuvamsham, Kumara Sambhavam.
Kalidasa.
Kiratarjuniyam.
Kiratarjuniyam.
Kirata Arjuniyam. Bharavi.
Okay. Shishupala-vadam.
Shishupala-vadam. Bhagaha.
Naishadhiya Charitam.
Naishadhiya Charitam.
Sriharsha.
Harsha Maharaja, Mahodaya? Harsha Maharaja. Is it the same?
No. This was by some other poet. He was such a great scholar. First time when he wrote this Naishadhiya Charitam, nobody could understand anything. Then his father told him, no, you must simplify your language. This is very difficult to understand. So he again wrote it. For some time, his father gave him curds and then urad dal, this, black gram. That was fed to him so that he becomes a little mandabuddhi. Then he wrote again. Then also people could not understand. Again, his father gave him some more of curd and all those things, and he became his intellect got reduced, and then he wrote this. Even now, even experts, they need the help of some vyakhyana to understand.
What is Naishadeva?
Naishadham vidvad aushadham iti vadanti.
What is Naishadham?
निषध राज्यम् अस्ति किल
Nalan. Nalamhara.
नलचक्रवर्ती.
Oh, okay.
Mahodaya, then if you eat curd, you'll become Mandam, Mahodaya.
Curd is not good actually. In our childhood also, only festival days we would have
Buttermilk.
curds, not on all days.
Generally, we use buttermilk.
Buttermilk is the best.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Okay.
ulundu also, that black gram. They also
Black
say
gram.
your even
It
the
is good
ability
for
to
back.
get reduced.
It is good for your back, but not good for intellect.
Intellect.
So moderation, whatever you have it in moderation. That's what.
Okay.
Mahoday,
And
in
what
our system,
Uh,
black udad is not at all given in daily routine. Daily means we do not cook it. When somebody dies, at that time, some ritual is there. Then they cook the black udad dal in the earthen pot. So otherwise, green udad dal is only prevalent in our culture. Black is all abundant. We should not use it. We say that when somebody dies, then only you cook this dal, black udad. But
Then,
I was not aware about curd.
Curd, of course, in South India, that was the practice. Only we would have buttermilk only.
Only buttermilk.
Mahoday, what is Kirata Arjuna?
Kirata Arjuniyam. This Arjuna gets Pashupatastra, no?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Fights with the Lord Shiva.
From Lord Shiva. Before that, Lord Shiva comes in the form of Kirata, hunter.
Hunter.
Oh, okay.
That is Kirata Arjuniyam.
Okay. Thanks. Dhanyawada.
Then Shishupala Vadham is this, that is also
Krishna
a
say,
very
Shishupala.
how Shishupala is killed by Krishna. That description is there.
He wants to marry Radha.
There also, like we talk about Naishadhiya Charitam, Magha also was such a great scholar. With a single letter, he has composed so many shlokas. Ra, ra, ri, ri, lu, like that. With a single letter, entire shloka. But each part will have a different meaning. So beautiful. And so many bandhas they have used in Shishupala Vadham. I have seen different bandhas like Trikona bandha, then some other bandhas. I don't remember. I'll take out the notes and then tell you. It's really amazing.
These are the base. The base for these are Mahabharatam only, no, Mahodaya? Shishupala. The base for all these Kavita, Shishupala Vadham.
Yes, it is based on Mahabharata.
Mahabharata.
But not the first two, not Raghuvamsham and Kumarasambhavam.
Raghuvamsham is about Ramayanam.
Yeah,
It is Ramayanam. But
Kumarasambhavam is Muruga.
it starts from Dilipa. In Raghuvamsha, the Kavi Kalidasa starts from Dilipa and ends he goes up to Agnivarna. Some 22 generations he will cover. Agnivarna, he was the worst fellow of the entire Raghuvamsha. He goes into bad company and he suffers from leprosy or something like that. So there ends it. But very beautiful. Whatever.
Kumarasambhavam is about Muruga, Mahodaya.
Birth of Kartikeya.
Muruga, that is.
Muruga.
Ishvara Parvati's marriage.
Marriage.
All those. Actually, Kalidasa's expertise is seen in Raghuvamsha because he wrote Raghuvamsha at the end. This Kumara Sambhavam was the beginning. So some scholars, of course, we don't know, but some scholars, they have not appreciated Kumara Sambhavam that much because some areas they didn't like. They said a Mahakavi should not do like this and all those things they say. So it's not our forte. Then Prasiddhani.
Meghadutam also, Kalidasa, Meghadutam.
Meghadutam is his Vidyadhara is cursed and he comes to earth and his wife is elsewhere, so he sends a message through cloud. In that sending of message is so beautiful. He will cover all the areas of central India. This Vidyadhara who has taken birth, he is in some place near Andhra Pradesh. From there, he asked the cloud to go to different places. He will cover Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, every place. And he says like Ujjaini, the description of Ujjaini, he says it appears as though a part, those who go to Swarga, they are supposed to come back, no? Once their punya is finished, they have to come back and take rebirth here. So he says Ujjaini appears as though people from Swarga whose punya is still left, they have come with that punya.
So beautiful.
So beautiful. Then how this Mahakala worship is done. That what Kalidasa has described 1000 years ago, it is still under same way they perform the puja there.
Oh.
Okay.
So we have a great tradition actually. These kavyas, when we read these kavyas, we know. And he covers every mountain, every river, even the smallest river, he will cover in that Meghadutam, Megha Sandesha, like that.
So, Mahoday, all these Pancha Mahakavyani, is it Padya?
Padya only.
Padya, okay.
Padya, maybe Gadya also. No, it is Padya only. Gadya is not there. Okay. Then Prasiddha Gadya Kavyani.
Yeah.
Kadambari, Banaha, Vasavadatta, Subandhaha, then Dashakumara Charitam, Subandhu, Dashakumara Charitam, Dandi.
This Bana, he was during the period of Harshavardhana. He was an expert at a very young age. He learned very well, but he lost his parents when he was such a just 14 years old, something like that. And it so happened he kept on roaming around all the places with many people. So everybody thought he's a waste fellow all the time roaming around. He's doing nothing like that. But after some time, he came back to his hometown, his village. So when he wanted to meet the king, Harshavardhana, he also had no regard for him because he also thought this fellow is also keeps roaming with so many people, like these Lambadis, they say, no?
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
Whoever is available, he will go with them, like that. But by going along with them, he learned so many things. So he became an expert in all the Shastras. He could talk about anything in any amount of detail, like that. Such an expertise. That's why they say Banochishtam Jagat Sarvam. Entire Jagat, whatever is there, everything he has covered in his whatever compositions, whatever grantha, kavyas he has done. So then Vasavadatta is that Vasavadatta story only. Subandhu. I have not read, so I don't know. Dashakumara Charitam Dandi. Dandi also was a great scholar. He has written some Vyakarana treatise also. Dashakumara Charitam is the story of 10 prince royal people, 10 Rajakumaras.
Oh, okay. Princess.
Then Prasiddhani Champu Kavyani.
Mahoday, Nimisha. Vasavadatta by Subandhu. So this is different from Swapna Vasavadatta?
Swapna Vasavadatta is Natakam.
Is by Bhasa.
Bhasa. Natakam.
No,
This is Gadya. No?
Oh, okay. I understand now. Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Nataka, only a certain part would be taken, or maybe entire story written in a dialogue form.
Got it. Yeah.
Astu. Prasiddhani Champu Kavyani.
Ramayanam, Bhojadeva, Champu Bharatam, Ananda Bhattaha,
Ananta
Ananta Bhattaha, Vishwaguna Darsha Champu,
Vishwa Gunadarsha Champu.
Vishwaguna Darsha Champu, Venkatadwari, then Nilaganda Vijaya Champu, Nilaganda Dekshataha,
Somadeva.
Here,
Champu, Neelakantha Vijaya Champu. It describes the that Samudra Manthana time. Hala hala comes out, no? So Ishvara drinks that poison. So how Parvati stops it at his throat. That story, but very beautiful.
Mahoday, what is the meaning of Champu?
It is a combination of Gadya and Padya.
Okay.
Okay. Then Kalidasa has written
No, Mahadev. I wanted to ask about the annotation after this.
Annotation,
No, we'll discuss.
What? Annotation. Yes. We will discuss. We have 10 minutes, no?
The Draksha Palani, Amra Palani.
Yes, we will discuss. 2 more minutes. What I wanted to cover, we will do that, and then we will go to annotation. Yes, Kalidasa's works. What are the other Natakani?
Malavika
Agni Datta.
Agnimitram. Malavika Agnimitram.
Vikramo.
Vikrama Urvashiyam.
Vikrama Urvashiyam. And Abhigyan Sakuntala.
Then there is Kavyeshu Natakam Ramyam.
Tatra.
Tatra Ramya Shakuntala. Tatrapi Chaturthah Ankah.
Chaturtho Ankah. Ankah.
Tatra
Tatra shloka.
Shloka Chatushtayam.
Chatustakam.
Chatushtayam.
Chatushtayam.
So in among kavyas, Nataka
best
is beautiful. Everybody enjoys Natakas, no? In any language, we enjoy Natakas. Tatra Ramya Shakuntala. Tatra Shakuntala Natakam yadasti Abhignana Shakuntalam.
It's the best one. It's the best one.
Tatrapi Chaturthaha Anka. There also, so many Ankas are there, no? In a Nataka, there are different Ankas. Tatrapi Chaturtha Ankaha. Because they're sending her away. I think that episode, that's what I remember. Sending Shakuntala to Dushyanta's
Marichi Ashram,
by Kandva. That description is there, no? That is really very. That's why they have given Tatra Shloka Chatushtayam iti. Astu. Uttara Ramacharitam.
Mahoday, before we proceed, 1 or 2 lines more about this, what you just spoke. Sending of Shakuntala away. Just 1 or 2 lines. Please explain. 1 or 2 lines.
No,
Please,
those
what is
shlokas, they depict how a father feels
When he sent his
while sending a daughter to another home, how a father feels. That feelings are very beautifully brought out by Kalidasa. That cannot be explained in English. We can read the translations, but that originality will not be there in translation.
Okay.
Yes, it's own beauty.
Then Uttare Ramacharite Bhavabhutihi Vishishyate. Bhavabhuti, it is, we feel so lost in that Uttara Ramacharita if we read.
About the Uttam qualities of Rama.
No. About the after.
Lavakusha.
Lavakusha.
Uttara Ramacharita ityukte Uttara Ramayana. After while sending Sita away, how Rama felt, how Sita felt. So it is, if we keep on if we start reading Uttara Ramacharita, there also, here what they are saying is Uttare Ramacharite. In Uttara Ramacharita, Uttara Ramayana, Bhavabhutihi Vishishyate. He excels everybody. Many people might have written Uttara Ramayana, but what Bhavabhuti has written is extraordinary. Then Veni Samharam. Who wrote this? Narayana. Okay. Mrit Shakatika. Mrit Shakatika. Mrit is mud. Mrit Shakatika.
Cut.
Tam Mrit Shakatikam. Tatra Samasah. Astu. Idanim Anvayana. Kimasti Mohoday? Gayatri Mohoday? Annotation. Annotation. Kimasti bhavati vadatu. I forgot about Jambukah. Mudha Jambukah.
Rakshapalani, Amrapalani. I sent you, Mahoday. It's in the WhatsApp.
No, don't worry about sending WhatsApp, all those things. You tell me what you wanted to write.
How to write,
your
how
friends
to start
will
that,
help you.
how to start that reference to content.
How to start? Okay.
Saha
this
Pataka I wrote.
this statement is taken from this story, like that.
So in Sanskrit we write that
एतं वाक्यं मूढः जम्बूकः
Mahodaye,
कथा
shall I read what I have written?
no, don't worry about it.
etam vakyam
मूढः जम्बूकः इति कथायाः स्वीकृतम्.
okay.
But can we write in the in English?
So there are many instances where we are supposed to write in Sanskritam only. So how to start a sentence, that was very difficult.
Where which
Yes, the same what you just telling. Etam
that's
vakyam.
what if you are writing about some other story, you this is taken from this story. That's how you write.
एतं वाक्यं मूढः जम्बूकः इति कथायाः स्वीकृतम्.
स्वीकृतम्.
Means many times we have to express that in this there are these things. So how to say that in this
अस्मिन् कथायाम् अस्मिन् कथायां एकः जम्बूकः द्राक्षाफलं दृष्ट्वा तत्र गच्छति वा?
then it's okay. After that it is okay. Starting is अस्मिन् कथायाम्. Okay.
अस्मिन् कथायाम्. That's all.
And sometimes we have to write the whole story. So it becomes that without that we cannot explain.
No
So
worries.
is it we have to we can write in so many sentences?
You can write. It depends on the marks. You see, if it is a 5 marks question, you write more sentences. If it is 2 marks question, you write lesser number of sentences, like that. You decide on the spot. You can decide.
Okay. Oh, so no, to make it short, we have to cut some of the parts, you know.
See, you are not required to write the entire story, because whoever said the question paper, they would be knowing the story, and whoever is going to correct the answer sheet, they also would be knowing the story. So no need to worry about how shall I do. You look at the time, how much time is available to you. Accordingly, you scale down your answer.
Mahoday, you told me last class, I said utpatya. I have changed that sentence as yathapi jambukah punah utpatati tatapi draksha palani na prapnoti.
Samyak.
Is that correct? Okay.
Samyak.
महोदय एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति. There was a question, कः साधुः भवति? So I wrote यः अपकारेषु अपकारं करोति सः साधुः. Is it right?
यः अपकारिषु अपि उपकारं करोति सः साधुः.
अपकारिषु रिषु. Okay.
See, apakari is not a single person. No, many people keep harming us. So try to harm us like that. Apakarishu api, even to them who is helpful.
यः अपकारिषु उपकारम् अपि उपकारं करोति सः साधु.
सः साधुः भवति.
Okay, if I have to write a statement where I have to write Rigveda, means parts of how many types of Vedas are there, if the question comes like this. So I am writing in English, but when it comes to writing the name of the Veda, shall I write in English or Sanskritam itself?
If you are comfortable writing Sanskritam, please write in Sanskritam only.
Means I can mix both English and
always because you are learning Sanskritam, this exam is
Amma.
related to Sanskritam. If you
Hmm.
are comfortable with writing in Sanskritam, you
Hmm.
should use Sanskritam only.
Dhanyawad.
If you are not confident, you feel, oh, I cannot do it, then don't worry. Then write in English. Because there's not an English exam. So as far as possible, try to write in Sanskrit.
Okay.
Writing the names of the Puranas, names of the Vedas.
Right.
It is easy to
also
write in
Sanskrit.
Sanskrit.
Sanskrit, right.
We want to write in Sanskrit, Mahodaya.
I have a question. See, there is a question, Kasyaha Jalam Shitalam. So the answer is given as Vapyaha Jalam Shitalam. That is well water is cold. Now, that is an example given in the book. But can I say Ganga Jalam is Shitalam? So the sentence correctness is more important than the answer.
Grammar is important here.
Gangaya.
Gangaya Jalam.
Kasyaha
Shitalam.
iti asit kila
Yeah,
akaha.
yeah. No, no, I'm just
Gangaya.
telling. Gangaya Jalam Shitalam.
If it is related to a story, then you cannot write whatever you want.
No. This is an example given in the various vibhaktis, no?
Okay.
So there they have given just for Vapyaha Jalam Shitalam. So the question is Kasyaha Jalam Shitalam. So should I say only Vapyaha or it
No,
can
you
be
can give
even-
any examples. It is-
Oh, okay.
Astu. Idanim samapayamah va? Any other
Oh,
questions?
I don't know
Oh, can
how
you,
the time
can
gone.
you describe the story of Mruchakatikam? Can you tell us the story, the full story, little in short?
Mrichakatikam va? Actually, I don't remember.
Okay.
It was so confusing, Mahodaya.
I'll tell you in the next class. Huh?
Okay,
I'll
next
read
class
and
you can
come.
tell us. Okay, thank you.
Vasanta Sena and Charudatta.
The problem is I remember bits and pieces. So I can't make up a story. So
Okay.
I'll read and come.
In the
No
book,
issue.
whatever story is given, there is a certain disconnect between the two paragraphs. So I also get stuck there. How the story is progressing here? We do not know. So
Yeah, the
let's
way it
start.
has been
They
described
have
is
given
very
Mrichakatika
confusing.
story in this book.
Yeah,
Yes,
Okay.
Mahodaya. But it
Okay,
is
I'll
confusing.
read then.
but it is not a good way to
It
explain
is
the
not
story.
conveyed in a good way. It is not connecting with the first para and the second para.
Okay. I'll read and come. Next week, next
Okay.
class also is there. No? By that time, I'll read and come.
You have to read
you
it
tell me.
more time.
Dhanyawad,
One time you
Mahodaya.
cannot
I feel-
understand.
I
No,
feel
no.
not more confident to
There is
face
something
the exam now.
there is some disconnect between two paragraphs. So
Hmm.
that there I was stuck. So
Okay.
I
No,
think
the cart, the clay cart and the golden
gold
cart,
card.
no?
Yes.
That way, that's where, no? It says the son is, Charudatta's son is playing with a clay cart
Hmm.
and suddenly they're talking about comes and gives the jewels in the to the son,
No.
to the boy in the
no,
clay
the-
cart.
the
Then
child
suddenly
is,
they say she has changed the cart and because of that, some other person captures her
kidnapped her.
and kills her
Yes,
like that.
There is some disconnect. So
Okay.
Mahodaya will tell next class.
Okay. Next class we will discuss.
Yeah. In
And
my
meanwhile,
library,
if you have any more questions, you please message me so that I concentrate on that in the next class.
Okay. In my library today, I read a book about Vasant Sena because I saw this book and I always thinking that let me read this, but I never get a chance. But when I read this Mruchakatikam, and I know that Vasant Sena book is there, so today I read. It's just 32 pages and it's like a graphic novel.
Hmm.
And while reading this, and after reading all these things, picture is clear. So
Can you analyze
what-
that?
No, I think Mahodaya will be getting
no,
late.
where you get confused, it's nothing, but she gave her ornaments and tell that now you decorate these ornaments on your card and
Card.
your card will become a golden like that.
Golden.
Yeah.
Okay.
And after that, Charudatta told her that in the cart you come to the garden and she misunderstood, and she put herself in another cart, which is that Shakara. So instead of guidance, she reached somewhere else, and Shakara tried to capture him and try to
Steal those
misbehave
jewels.
with her and
Kill her.
yeah, kill her. So
Strangled her.
he thought that she was dead, but actually she was not dead. But Shakara thought that, oh, now blame will come on me. That's why he went to the king, and this is that the Charudatta is a poor, so for the ornament, she killed her. And meanwhile, that because ornament is with the Charudatta's son, so his assistant went to the that let me give this Vasant Sena's ornaments to her. That's why he's going over there. But meanwhile, he saw that they says that no, Charudatta killed the Vasant Sena. That's why he go to the court, and he has all the ornaments of Vasant Sena in his hand. That's why they says, see, I told you, right? Because of ornament, they killed the Vasant Sena. So ornaments also with Charudatta's servant and all these things, they prove that no, you killed the Vasant Sena. But meanwhile, one saint came and he treated this Vasant Sena, and yeah, saint came and he treated this Vasant Sena, and then they came back. And when they came to the town, they saw that, oh, they are trying to kill now Charudatta. So at that time, she says, stop. And she told the whole story to everyone that this is a Sakara who wants to misbehave with me and try to kill me, not him. And the picture will clear. And I think king was also not the right person. That's why they changed the king also, and all these things happened. But see, in very short, they told all these things. That's why we get confused.
Mm.
Okay.
That's why we get confused.
Samapayamah va?
Okay.
Whatever questions you have, please post it in WhatsApp or Signal. I'll come back to you next week. Om sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om shanti shanti shanti. Hari Om.